Today I'm going to show you a few things that I've planted. So stay tuned. I got a mulberry here, another mulberry. I planted two mulberries. This is a Santa Rosa plum. I'm going to try to find some more different kind of variety of plums. A fig tree. Got two of those. Anna apple. The Satsuma, little cutie oranges. Already has the buds on them, flowering. Hopefully I'll get a few on those. We got a Dorset apple. It's a Hamlin orange. There was a couple of oranges on here. And a Florida Crest peach. It has some on there. Hopefully I'll get a few off of here as well. This is what I have in my potted plants. I've got ginger going in here. This is the white ginger. And I have strawberries. And here I got purple sweet potatoes. Getting these out to seed. And the orange. I got the red beefsteak tomatoes here. This is some more ginger. This is some yellow ginger. I have the buds planted in here. I did that today. I separated gingers and planted those in separate pots. And these are more of the beefsteaks. These are the celebrity tomatoes. And over here I've got onions and peppers. I throwed a few tomato seeds in here too. We'll see what happens. Got another onion coming up here. Over on this side, this is my herbs, oregano, the basil, some dill, parsley, and some rosemary, and some more sweet potatoes over here to seed for the slips, for the potato slips. Over here I got hot pepper seeds in here planted, waiting for those guys to come up. And here I have a pomegranate. It has a couple on there already. And here I have a loquat. The peanuts are coming up really well. The red potatoes are coming up already. The peanuts are doing really well. And the corn and the watermelon and everything else is already coming up. Thanks for watching.